Hey Laila, I just want to make a quick video on your trade. I'm glad it went in your favor for sure. I was just a little confused on maybe the reasoning behind it. It seems like this is the 1 hour. I know you started on the 4 hour, and maybe that's where I'm getting lost. I'm trying to just stick strictly with my 1 hour for my read. I know if I go up to the 4 hour, then that changes everything for me. I just wanted to read it on the 1 hour and see what you thought. This is that uptrend coming up, making new highs the whole way up. Right here, we push down for a refresh, take out the guy who started, hold here for a little bit, and then we push back up, and these guys attempt to make a sell. Clearly, they're wanting to make a sell off this S&R, kind of like an A type, and then he gets taken out. And that's the new guy who started. So that to me is a definite trap. I don't really see the trap too much in this area. There may be a small trap that you were talking about on the 4 hour or 1 hour. This could be a possible small trap. We don't really take out anybody who started, though, to trap these guys. But due to this range, it could be a trap in this area that may want to react. Now, we did get a reaction here at one point, this big spike, at least on my charts. So that's our trap. We pull back to this trap area, and it does a little reaction, but nothing. And then the volumes, these are all my volumes, these lines. And it looks like a lot of the higher volumes at the top, which is why this is wanting to turn around, because who's buying on this big uptrend up here? And then it slowly starts to come back and test this guy who started to take him out. The buyers tried, and then they finally got killed, which makes, I believe, this area a fairly good trap for a sell entry. I don't know if we could really get a good entry on this, but then at this point it breaks below, breaks all these volumes. So now it's a definite sell is on. So with what we've learned, all I know to do is once we have this break, we wait for a pullback to our our support resistance / trap area. And then are these guys really trapped in here anymore? Because really this is kind of just a continuation of the downtrend now. Possibly some guys down here that got trapped were still trying to buy off this S&R, thinking the buys could still go. So yeah, maybe this could be a valid trap. Something maybe to ask Lucas, because there's some volume here. So possibly these guys were trying to buy and got trapped and waiting for a release. But something Lucas actually said today was if you have a really, really long push and a pullback, it could go to another time frame, could go to the time frame above us, which then this could turn into a 4-hour trap area break, and then a 15 to read the pullback. I think instead of 1 hour 5, it turns into a 4 hour 15, possibly. Yeah, that's I just wanted to throw that out there. Wasn't 100% sure about your entry, the basis behind taking the entry down here, unless it was kind of a primary type entry. But yeah, hey, awesome job. I'm glad it worked out in your favor. All right, thank you.